Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to log in MetaTrader 5 account. So first off here, once you download and install this application, you will find this interface. Welcome to MetaTrader 5. Then here, you just need to read the terms and conditions of this application. And then once you've done, tap on this accept button. Now basically, once you tap on this accept button, you'll find this message right here. So you just need to open a demo account. Now, if you had already a demo account, just go back to the home page right here. Just go back to the main page. And here, first thing that you can do to log in your account is tap on the three dots at the top left, then tap on this get started button right there. And then from here, tap on the plus icon right there at the top right of your screen. And then once you tap on that, it will show you this interface. Then you can actually find the broker right over here. If you want to log in first, tap on this meta codes. So tap on meta codes. And basically you have two options. You can open a demo account. But if you had already a demo account, you can log in your existing account right here. You can type your username, basically login number or login account, and then your password. Then you can change the server right there if available. So you can tap on that MetaCodes demo. Then basically, if you forget the password, you just need to tap on forget password. So yeah, that's how you basically log in MetaTrader 5 account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.